It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today, John will be using the colors of Artist Loft Black, Artist Loft White, Apple Barrel Tangelo, Apple Barrel Sublime Lime, Apple Barrel Laguna, Apple Barrel Spring Green, Apple Barrel Tropical Blue, Apple Barrel Pure Pink, and Apple Barrel Dandelion. Now, what size?
This is
That's a board.
Yeah, it's an 8-inch by 20-inch board. It's a sign actually. On the other side it says something for Halloween. And we're gonna paint. We're gonna pour on this side. We're gonna do two. One this direction, and one in that direction maybe. Since I just did my first pour ever in the first flip cup ever in the last video, so I'm gonna try this.
Oh, you're gonna do a flip cup. Okay.
Flip, is that what I'm gonna do, flip?
Yeah, you said a pour.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that. Look at that sucker jump.
We're off to the races.
Wipe this off. It's my onion.
Onion cutter.
No, I'm gonna color it so. There we go.
Cool.
So now we got one on each side. Let that set a little bit. No silicone in anything except the cup has a drop of silicone to make the paint slide out easier.
Except. There's always an exception.
There is an exception.
Every rule.
You love
We
me.
like
you love
breaking
me,
them.
but
This is beautiful, but.
okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this one, we're going to pull it that direction, we're going to take this one and pull it in that direction.
Cool.
So here we
luck.
go. You ready?
Yep. Whoa. Interesting.
Okay. Interesting.
Oh, so how are you going to be tilting?
How do I know? You expected me to think that far? There we go. What's the matter? You're laughing about?
I just was thinking that this is going to be interesting.
It's interesting. Exact same colors, layered the same.
You got to watch two different things at
Yeah, I
once.
am. I'm watching to the left. I'm watching to the right.
It'll look like a combination of the two things we did the other day. Got some nice cells there. Are you facing towards the camera so they can see what you're doing? I don't think so.
Facing towards me so right now so I can see what I'm doing. Look at this up here. This is nice. I don't want to lose that. This up here. See up there in the corner? That looks pretty cool. Okay, so I got a lot of white here now.
It looks like all your colorful colors are going to be gone.
It's interesting, isn't it? I like these long things stretching out there, see them?
Mm-hmm.
More paint on me than in the picture.
Just be careful, don't get your gloves over the painting, because then you'll spill some on it. You want
I got a little dry over here.
okay. That's pretty cool though. Two different things.
Yeah, I would have been better off. Oh, all this thing, I think.
Is that what you're gonna try to do?
I'm gonna try to see what, let me try this first, see if anything.
Yeah.
Interesting. I'll pick all my paint back up. Need some
pretty.
paint, need some paint.
Oh, it's pretty colors though. Nice and bright colors there. As long as you don't put any black down there, you could use it for skins of some sort. I wonder if a wooden board takes as much paint as a canvas does.
I don't know.
Because I wouldn't think it would soak into a board, right?
Well, it's been gessoed about 3 or 4 times already, so just I like this. I don't like this.
No?
You?
Oh, it's contrasting.
It's like a big frog.
I don't know what you can do.
Oh, I got some stuff there, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
What I'd like to do is, where's my spatula? Where's my, there it is, catalyst number 74.
No, it's not 74.
So 74.
That's a canvas show.
It's interesting, isn't it? Yeah, I do.
I mean, not canvas, because it's not. Yeah, you sort of learned. You just ruined some of your cells there, but.
Probably. It'll be fine. Put them down there. The white ones in there. On the paper.
Yeah.
If you pick up the color from where it dripped, you can kind of match the color on the edge there.
Yeah.
So this here.
You're getting it all in that pretty colors.
Ruin your leftovers. How's the other side? Is it all covered?
Now there's a little bit. Want me to get it for you?
Yeah.
Or
What was it?
right there.
Oh, yeah.
And then I know we said we weren't going to be doing sides on camera.
Yeah, that's true.
There's a spot here.
Okay. Okay, that looks like it for now. See how it
That's how
dries.
you
Yeah,
happy with that?
it's starting to change color. So
Look at all these, cool.
I know. Okay, we'll let you see what it looks like dry before we post the video. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching. Good job, John. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends. Give us a thumbs up. watch all of our YouTube videos and like and help us out. Check out our paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching, be kind to one another, and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Red button.